Hi, how do you need to create any specific folder list or task list? So currently I will copy the links from Wise, but you can copy your tutorial link from anywhere. So I'm going to, this is just demo, let me rename it. This one is demo, save it, all right. So now what I want to do is I want to create so I have created this topic. You can create any topic from here. So the, there are two sections, all topics and different topics, right? So what I need to do here is I have to click on, for example, tutorials for installations. Okay, I'm not going to focus on that. I'm going to focus on this one. One, two, three, four, five. So these three things is important. So how I can do that? So create I can create an assignment here. I can create anything. So I'm creating a not a topic. So let me create a simple topic here. Material, right? So I have to create a material here. I have to name it like this one. So for example, one, how to update daily task sheet, this one, and I have dedicated YouTube links for that one. So basically what you gonna do, you are going to upload your tutorials or videos in YouTube, right? So collect the link, YouTube link from there, come here,
So, for taking the daily updates from any
paste the
meeting, what
link,
we follow,
search for it, add the video, and here you can update that. Okay, this is, I mean, you can put any note here. So okay, so for employees, it should be for, yeah, for employees folder, no topic, it should be under job placement tutorial topic, right? So post it. So that's how you are going to add tutorials. People can click here and they can see that directly from here, right? So just a second. Okay, and I think in the description I haven't written anything, that's why it is showing like that. You can edit the description if you want. You can put anything in the description, it doesn't matter. So this topic will be created. If you click on this topic, you can create multiple topics. So we have different topics here, so we have to add like that. Tutorial folder is like, if somebody click here, they can see the video from here. And slides folder, we have different kinds of folder, we have to open them as topic, and we have to add these things as material. If you want to create any assignments, you can put assignments here, due date, and everything, so that they can do the assignments and everything from here. And you can use questions, materials, you can use reuse of post. But this is the main and most important part, that how you can add slides and tutorial. How to add slides, you can do the same thing. You can create a new topic here, saying that slides folder. So it will create a new topic here, right? So, and you can move the topic top and bottom, which one you wanna uh, put where. So you can put your items here. So I will suggest that for different batch, different types of folder we use to create in Wise, so everything we can do in the Google Classroom perfectly. We don't need to take help from anything else. Yeah, that is the whole explanation of it. Thank you.